Welcome to 35 Rollingwood Drive in Rolling Hills Estates. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1637 square foot on a large lot. Come, have a look with me. Quarter-acre plus lot with an enormous circular driveway, spacious enough for 8 cars or more. Stroll through a small gateway into a paved private courtyard with city view. Double-door front entry leads to an inviting warm interior with living room with vaulted wood beam ceiling, kitchen with recessed lights, granite countertop, and motion-activated faucet. Family room with backyard-facing large windows on one side, vaulted wood beam ceiling, gas fireplace, upgraded light fixture, and remote-controlled ceiling fan. Stunning 180-degree city view from living room, kitchen, dining area, family room, and backyard. Upgraded dual-entry hallway bathroom with newer vanity and bathtub. 2 good-sized bedrooms with recessed lights. Hallway flanked with closets on either side. Bedrooms with large windows. Spacious primary suite overlooking the front yard with recessed lights and attached bathroom with dual sinks and tub. Large backyard with property line extending beyond the low retaining wall, boasting of sensational city lights view. Milgard dual-pane windows throughout. Include solar panels, owned free and clear. Friendly and welcoming neighborhood within boundaries of award-winning Silver Spur Elementary and PVIS. If you would like to personally tour this home, or if I could provide any real estate service to you, feel free to reach me. My information is listed below. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.